Is water backing up in your house? You might have a clog blocking the flow in your sewer line. Our experienced technicians can rod your line and solve the problem. We have special cutters that can unclog your line and restore the flow. The cutter is inserted into the sewer line, providing access to any clog obstructing the pipe, unless there's any sort of damage on the pipe that needs excavation. The cutter has sharp rotating blades that break up and cut through the blockage, effectively creating an opening or hole, which allows water and waste to flow freely through the sewer line again. More complex clogs might require more time spent rodding to restore the flow. For a free-flowing sewer, trust our experts. Contact us today